Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Klarna BNPL Service Review My Usage Experience. Klarna BNPL Service Review My Usage Experience offers a buy now, pay later BNPL service for online and in-store purchases. It's aimed at consumers who want to spread the cost of their purchases over time, offering flexible payment options. Key features include setting up payment plans and managing those plans through their online portal. Their website provides details on available payment options and eligibility criteria. Klarna's positioning focuses on ease of use and transparency. Their website emphasizes no hidden fees, and they clearly outline the payment schedule. The process is largely automated, utilizing a streamlined application and approval system. Availability depends on the merchant and user creditworthiness. You can check your eligibility and find participating merchants directly on the Klarna website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Klarna. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply linked my bank account and existing email address to my account. The interface is clean and intuitive. I found managing my payment plans straightforward. I recently used it to purchase a new gaming chair, splitting the cost into 4 interest-free installments. The entire process, from application to payment confirmation, was seamless. Tracking my payment schedule was simple thanks to clear email reminders and the easy-to-navigate dashboard. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. Everything was clearly laid out. The standout feature for me was definitely the email reminders. I never missed a payment. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing everything on the desktop is slightly inconvenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Klarna's BNPL service. It's a convenient option for managing larger purchases without the immediate financial strain. That's my overview of Klarna BNPL Service Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.